Happy New Year, Bobcats. Welcome back to a new episode of The Stage. I'm Narnia Choi, your social media editor.
And I'm Leah Ertel, your staff reporter. We have a great show for you today. Today, we have a package on cooking for college students,
Students' thoughts on the latest Spiderman movie,
and a man on the street about New Year's resolutions. Let's roll the intro.
First up, we have Leah and Ambrogelly teaching our graduating seniors a recipe they can cook in college.
Take it away, Leo.
Hello, Bobcats. My name is Leah Ambrogelly. On today's episode of Cooking for Students, we will be making a Korean dish called bibimbap. The dish is composed of 6 parts: marinated chicken, rice, cooked spinach, seasoned carrots, an egg, and kimchi. The portions in this video will make 4 bowls. We're gonna start by making the marinade for our chicken. Grab a decently big bowl, a knife, a cutting board, and measuring spoons. Whisk together 1/4 a cup of soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Cut your chicken up into 1/2 inch pieces and add 1 teaspoon cornstarch. We're going to let this sit for a couple minutes while we prepare our rice. Grab a pot and a measuring cup. Fill the pot with 3 cups of water. Add 1.5 cups of rice. Cook on medium for 20 minutes, then cover and turn the heat off and let the rice steam. Next, we're going to prepare the vegetables. Grate your carrots and put them into a small bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 2 pinches of salt. Grab a skillet, heat it on medium-high, and add your spinach, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 pinches of salt. Stir the spinach until it looks like this. Move the cooked spinach onto a spare plate. It is now time to cook our chicken. Pour the chicken and marinade into the skillet, and set medium-high heat. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Move it to a spare plate when done. Alright, it's time to assemble our bowls. You can do this in whatever way you want, though rice is commonly used as a base, with chicken, carrots, spinach, and kimchi on top. Let's add the finishing touch. Heat a clean skillet over medium heat. Coat the skillet with cooking spray, and cook 4 eggs, sunny side up. Use these to top off your bowls. Add some sesame seeds and some soy sauce, and you're good to go. This has been Leah Ambrogelly, reporting for The Sage.
Wow, thanks, Leo. Can't wait to make this in college. If I get into college.
Next up, we have students' thoughts on the latest Spiderman movie with Cooper Hancock.
Right behind me is one of the many movie theaters in the area, which thousands have come to watch one of the most talked about movies of all time, Spider-Man: No Way Home. Released on December 17th, and the 3rd installment of the Marvel Cinematic Universe's Spider-Man, played by Tom Holland, has drawn in over $1 billion in the global box office and has ranked not only as one of the best Spider-Man movies, but the best movie created by Marvel Studios.
Filled with surprises and heartbreak, Sage Creek students look back at their viewing experience of this roller coaster of a movie.
It sounds a little nerdy, but I was like giggling the whole time. I was super excited. I've been waiting so long to, watch that movie.
At the beginning, it was a bit drawn out with the whole issue and trying to get exposition into the movie, but after it started picking up, it didn't miss a beat, kind of. So all the emotional things hit really fast, and all the action really suited every scene it was in. So all in all, it was very it caught my attention throughout the whole movie, except the first maybe 10-15 minutes.
There was some very emotional scenes at the 3rd act. Almost made me cry. It was very good, very dramatic.
One of the most anticipated movies of all time, movie fans alike could not wait for this movie to release. Not only is the character Spider-Man one of the most beloved superheroes in Marvel, but trailers revealed a return to characters like Doctor Strange and villains Dr. Octavius, Green Goblin, Electro, Sandman, and the Lizard, played by the same actors from past Spider-Man films. Rumors for other character appearances also increased the hype. These same students explained if they felt the hype was real.
Oh, I think it's definitely real. I think the movie also does a good job of meeting the expectations of the hype. No, yeah. it was, I don't know, I was in the first premiere, so it was probably the nerdiest group of people there. So every little rumor, everyone was like, oh my god. So yeah, that was pretty fun. Yeah, I think every moment was good.
Yes, 100%. Everything that you want to happen happens without spoiling anything, but yeah, 100%.
At the edge of their seat for the entire 2.5-hour movie, many have decided to go back and re-watch the film.
I've seen it 4 times. I saw it twice on opening day. I saw it one time 3 days after, then another time 2 days after the third time. I'm gonna go watch it again with my friends and probably gonna watch it again afterwards. It was really good.
Just felt like I had to see it for a second time in theaters, on the big screen.
Currently playing in all movie theaters in the area, make sure to check out Spider-Man No Way Home if you haven't already. This has been Cooper Hancock reporting for The Sage.
Thanks, Cooper. That movie looks super cool.
I can't wait to watch it.
Me too. Next up, we have a sports update and a live interview with some of our great athletes on campus.
Hey Bobcats, unfortunately with the increase of COVID cases, the basketball game has been rescheduled. Please stay safe and healthy.
Great job out there, Bobcats.
Finally, we have a man on the street about New Year resolutions with Nick Cepek.
Hello Sage Creek, I'm Nick Cepek, and today we're on the Academic Mall to talk to students about their New Year's resolutions. So Noah, what is your New Year's resolution for 2022?
My New Year's resolution is, try to get them good grades. I want to go play more lunch volleyball.
To finish school and not get COVID.
I don't even know, probably eat more food and get stronger.
Honestly, I'd say just to build better relationships and friendships and live a healthy lifestyle.
Honestly, I think resolutions aren't the best things. I think it can become toxic, so I have New Year's goals.
My New Year's resolution for 2022 is I'm hopping off social media.
That's good, that's wise, that's good.
Yeah, so I actually watched a YouTube video talking about dopamine and how much of an effect social media has on it in a negative way, so I decided to hop off it.
I hope to study more and get better grades.
To be less forgetful.
To be my Bobcat best.
That's great. This has been Nick Cepek, Leah Ambrogelly, and Benz Russell Lopez reporting for The Sage. Now back to the anchors.
Those are some great New Year resolutions. Do you have any, Narnia?
Yeah, I do actually. My top resolution is to get into college.
That is so great.
It really is.
Anyway, be sure to check out thesagenews.com for our latest articles.
And follow us on The Sage Publication on Instagram and The Sage Pub on Twitter.
This has been Leah Ertel
and Narnia Choi reporting for
The Sage.